People on my watch were asking me what's wrong, and I was like, I'm fine. They're like, but you're not, you're shouting all the time. And I just didn't see it. I didn't recognise there was anything wrong with me. One day, someone came in and made a flippant remark that our control room might be shutting and going off to a different county. And it was like a switch had been flicked, and I didn't come back for 5 months.
It first started like the lack of sleep. I'm a little bit scared to shut my eyes, because every time I shut my eyes, I saw what I didn't want to see from that incident.
Hi, I'm Steve Wright, General Secretary of the Fire Brigade Union. I've been in the fire service since 2001, and what I've witnessed in that time is there is a mental health crisis in the fire and rescue service.
Just to help you put things in perspectives, 57% of the firefighters in UK have thought about quitting the job due to poor mental health, and it's estimated that between 7 and 37% will develop a post-traumatic stress disorder in the course of their life.
That's why we've commissioned the University of Central Lancashire to conduct this research.
I realised that there was a significant gap in knowledge and awareness surrounding mental health in the fire and rescue service.
To go from being in your bed, out cold, deep asleep, to 5 minutes later, probably one of the most disturbing and horrific incidents I'll ever come across in my life. It changes you personally, and I think it always will.
25 years ago, we were well funded. We had 5 people on a watch. For a small control room, that's quite normal. So because of austerity and cuts, there's less of us in the control room, there's less of us on the fire stations, but there's more work to do, and that causes burnout.
After 15 years of austerity, the fire and rescue service has been cut to the bone, losing 12,000 firefighters in that time. That we know that this will have an effect on people's mental health. And that's why we need this body of work to take to the government so that they can understand the real issues that our firefighters, our members, are facing on the ground and on fire stations today.
To all the firefighters watching this video, if you could take a little bit of your time to complete the survey, it's really going to help us improve the mental health support that is offered to all the firefighters in the UK.
So what this survey needs is for 10,000 of our members from across the UK to complete it so we can gather this information that we need.
The more that we speak out about mental health, the less it will become a stigma.
So please follow the link at the end of this video and share it with your colleagues, and let's change the mental health provisions in the fire and rescue service.
Everyone does need that help, so I urge you, please just fill in that survey.